guys, sa panibagong video na naman natin for today's video.
Your team is banning.
Guys, sino gagamitin natin? Si Sinsin. Sinsin tayo.
Your team is banning.
Okay, mauupot tayo ng kalaban. Okay, uuputin lang natin ng kalaban yan. Then okay. Nice.
Your team is picking. Payback. The enemy is picking.
Love,
ayun, nag-Angela Lopez
two
sa kalaban.
greatest inventions.
Aktay.
You should be ashamed for not Please pick a hero.
Call me a hero.
I am the Moon Lord. The enemy
my
breaks
nation
through the
from falling
darkness.
apart.
Si Aquaman yata tong skin nito ni Sinsin eh. Aquaman.
My pleasure.
Sa kalaililim mo ng karagatan eh. Karina plus Angela. Aktay, di Aktay. Tigas niya. Queen Shin. Jonas Blue. Papa Cooks.
Magic is my life. Your team is picking.
Let's hear from the crowd. Make some noise for yours truly.
May harit pa. Ano? May Dora pa.
The night sky tells all. The enemy is picking.
Yoyo ah. Ayusin mo Yoyo. Gagamitin natin si Aquaman. Mukhang binigay tayo ni Munton kay Kalatan.
I am the sovereign of the abyss, the slayer of gods.
So, Slayer of God daw. Ay. Kaya ta. Ayan na, may nakamalakas ang kalaban May naka-Angela po. Ba't may naka-Angela Lopez? It's time to get an easy, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Mula ngayong malayo.
Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Ayan na po.
All troops together we win!
Only by facing the enemy, one knows the truth.
Tulang-tulang na muna tayo. Tulang-tulang muna tayo ng jump. Bago tayo sa mga
honor and homeland.
Ingat lang tayo dito. Double ingat lang. Pupunta sa kayo dito.
Our victory will be decisive.
Kasi nakagaw ko to Nakagaw to. Ang doon to
A true warrior never backs down from a fight.
Kasi nakagaw to
I go wherever and loyalty.
Ano na nga Gothel? Atay Gothel? Ayun. Nabigyan. Nabigyan
Stay
ko.
loyal.
May nabigyan.
Stay humble.
Kaya, nakadagod tayong 30.
Request backup. Okay.
Binawasan ko lang yung lids ha.
Request backup.
Understood.
Request backup. Okay. An ally has slain the
Nabigyan na.
turtle.
Nabigyan ng 30.
If you can pick the enemy's moves,
Bigyan ulit natin itong baba. Makukulit ko. Tara, bigyan ulit natin.
a good army should be flexible, like water.
Or yung mid. Mid na naman.
Request backup.
Ayun,
I
nabigyan.
go wherever
Nabigyan sa tool.
Request back. Okay.
Nabigyan sa tool. Kawawa siya. Ay, ito
If
po.
you can predict the enemy's moves,
Kaya may ibang
An
siya. Pero
ally has
natin.
been slain.
Ano ko, kaya ka?
duty, honor,
Great
and
play.
Ang laro pa lang, triple kill agad. May skill pa lang ako nagatawa.
Ally has been slain.
Skeleton.
stay loyal.
Okay.
Okay, bawas muna. Sorry po. Sorry Don.
Ally has been slain.
Sorry Don.
Sorry.
Don. Sorry Don.
My reputation is built on my bravery
natin Don.
and loyalty.
Sorry Don.
Request backup.
Talong Don. Itong talong ko
Thank
Don.
you.
Wala Don eh. Yun lang tayo Don. 30 lang tayo.
Initiate retreat.
30 tayo
Attack
Don.
the turtle. Request backup. Okay.
Sorry Don.
Ally has been. An ally has slain the turtle. Sorry.
Ay Don, wag
We
wag.
can still win.
Sorry Don. Kuha ko lang Don.
A true leader backs down from a fight.
Kuha ka lang Don. Ito Don eh. Tapos ko Don eh.
An
Tapos
ally
ko Don eh.
Scary. That was amazing.
O, diba Don? Tapos yun Don.
A good army should be flexible,
Kaya
like
ito kaya
water.
ata Don. Nagagalit kaya ata itong video.
An enemy has been slain.
Hindi yung hirap. Nonsense.
Only by facing the enemy can one
I'm
know
low on
his true
HP.
self.
Pero di natin nahabol. Kasi layo.
Our victory will be decisive.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate
Ayun nga, nabigyan natin. Kawawa nga. Ito din ang kalaban.
Only by facing the enemy can one know his true self.
Alam Don. Ito yung Don.
has
Nice.
been slain.
Nice Don.
Launch attack. Okay.
Wherever the wind is,
Don.
Your team destroyed a turret.
my reputation is built on my bravery and
Pero nga
loyalty.
ata dol, mabibigyan nga. Ayun dol, umesa siya dol. So may tendency na lumusog yan. Ayun dol.
You won't.
May tendency pa. Kasi ano natin yan eh. Sabisa natin yan eh.
Killing spree.
Sabisa dyan natin yan dol eh. Kasi sumanod si Angela, so alam mo natin diba? Nalulusog siya. Kaya yun, unahan
Your
natin.
team destroyed the turtle.
Turtle dol. Pero dol.
Understood.
Turtle dol. Ako sinunod dol.
Stay low.
Nakaligtas ko siya, umaga. Ayot lang dol ah.
An enemy
Double
has
kill
been
yung dol eh.
slain.
Nice one dol.
Mega kill.
Nice one dol. May tao dito dol eh.
Never back down from a fight.
Solo kill. Well played.
Nice dol. Ay, ito pa dol eh.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Hindi na tutuloy mo ito. Oh, mouse off.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Okay, dol. Patay na naman ito dol. Isa dol eh. May gumutot na naman dito dol eh.
A good army.
Initiate retreat.
Tao ba ito dol? Wala.
Unstoppable.
Wala pa dol. Na-instant yung kalaban ah. Kanina pa daw tayo.
Will be decisive.
Sorry.
Initiate destroyed a turret. Okay.
Sorry na lang.
Fight.
Hanggang sorry na lang tayo.
Our victory will be decisive.
Aga. Gandol.
Ano ba yan? Superb damage. That was amazing. Initiate retreat.
My reputation.
Hello, kawawa. Kawawa naman eh.
Only by facing
Ano ba yan, guys?
knows his true self.
Hindi natin pinagbigyan ng kalaban ah. Hindi na naman daw sa label.
Slain four.
Dol. Pagbigyan niya daw sa label.
Ano ba yan?
You can predict the
Yung
enemy's
takbo natin dul eh. Hindi na narinig dul eh. Waiting ko dadan dito.
Your team destroyed the turret. Follow Lord.
Okay, hindi siya natamaan.
Ano ba yan?
Oh, wait lang dol. Pinatikim na natin dol.
Ano ba yan?
Ang totoo ng dol, ganun talaga yung kalalabas ng dol.
A good army should be flexible.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ganun talaga dol. Ganun talaga din ang kalalabas ng dol. Oo, ulti.
I go wherever the flame
Sira ng plano nila guys. Takbo guys. Sira ng plano nila.
You destroyed a turret.
Oh, wait lang dol. Dol.
Slain.
wait nila.
Ano ba yan?
Idol, wait idol. Wait nga lang, Dol.
Only
Hindi lang
my
ito natin sa mga natin, Dol.
One note.
Curve control. That was amazing.
Nabigyan na. Nabigyan na sila, Dol.
Instant kill. That was amazing. Request gather and okay.
A true warrior never backs down. What?
No mana.
Paano
Retreat.
ba yun, Dol? Support naman ang YouTube natin, Dol.
Our
Support.
victory will be decisive.
Dol.
I go wherever.
Kawawa.
No mana. Retreat.
My reputation is built on my bravery and loyalty.
Uy, boss Dol, eh. Kapag-pangaliwan, Dol, eh. Wala ka. Kapag-pangaliwan, Dol, eh.
Down. Bring 'em. Triple kill.
Wala, Dol. Hello. Hello. Oo. Isobra ko nakasapa na ka rin mo tayo. Ay, nakatagal na rin ito.
If you can predict the enemy's move,
You destroy the turret.
Hello. Kaya mo yung kalaban guys. Umiyak na.
Victory.
Ilan ba kill natin? 26 ata. No, so, di na nila pinumunton yung main niya ko. Di na kumasya eh. Double star pa. Hala, 84 na. Ang bilis. pa lang. Skill ko. Tapos wala akong
they
dito.
call me a hero because I saved my nation from falling apart.
Thank you, Monton. Gabi sa po si Angela, guys. Baka doon natin si Neryoso. Si Mike Enriquez pa ito ito. Hindi email pa pala ito si Mike Enriquez. So yun mga guys, maraming salamat guys sa panonood. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin guys para support po. Maraming salamat. Yun lang. Out. Lakas na.